Hello, hello, hello. It is Stephanie Deeds, your favorite realtor here at the Deeds Group, and I am at Petco today. I think this is my favorite video I've ever done. I am surrounded by puppies and fantastic people and children. What a fun video this is to make. I am here with Marilyn. She is, what is your title again?
I am now Vice President of Hearts and Tails of Hope Pet Rescue.
Okay, so she is the Vice President of Hearts and Tails of Hope Pet Rescue. This is a wonderful organization that is putting puppies and Hearts and Tails of Texas, it's pet rescue, so it's not just dogs.
It's dogs and cats.
Dogs and
we
cats.
had other things as well.
Okay, so tell me a little bit more about what you guys do.
Okay. We began as a nonprofit rescue, Heart of Texas Animal Rescue. We merged with Tails of Hope Pet Rescue, and now we are Hearts and Tails of Hope Pet Rescue. We've been a nonprofit as Heart of Texas for 6 years. Tails of Hope have been as a nonprofit in Ellis County for about 10 years. We decided that we could help more of our homeless pets if we merged together, and that's when we began a new nonprofit organization, and it's Hearts and Tails of Hope, which we are basically in Ellis County, but we reach out everywhere. What we do is we help find homes for homeless pets. We pull pets from shelters that are going to be put down due to space. So we do both. We pull them, we foster them, we vet them, and then we get them adopted.
Okay, fantastic. So they're actually saving animals who are in danger of being euthanized because the shelters are running out of space. So we actually have some families here today that have... Okay, so Marilyn was just telling me a few minutes ago about this family that was a foster failure. And at first I was like, she said that in front of them, like, was that rude? But what she meant was, it was a good thing. They had fostered a dog that then they ended up adopting because they fell in love with her. So they have adopted Annie. They are still fostering another puppy named Angel. So this family over here, this is Laura and Dustin. And they have been working with Hearts and Tails of Hope to help these animals find a home. Do you guys want to share anything about your experience?
It's been really good. We started with Annie. She had a lot of anxiety and issues with being left alone, and we found that out the hard way ourselves. We had some hiccups, but she just fit in with us really good. She loves the girls. She's very protective. She's very sweet. We couldn't let her go. And then with Angel, we found someone posted about her on Facebook, saying that she was found in the woods and she's going to be put down within a couple of days. And so we reached out to, they were Heart of Texas at the time. We reached out to them and said, hey, if you guys can do anything to get her, we'll foster her along with Annie. And so they got in touch with them, and within a couple of days we got her to come to us. She was in heat, and we went through all of that lovely process and took her, I think, probably on one of her first car rides to the vet. That was not fun.
Bless her heart.
To get her taken care of, and she's doing really good. She loves to be outside. She's not much of an inside dog, but she loves to play. She's got a big backyard right now that she's playing in and getting good and muddy in.
Well, you know what, Laura, I'm a little nervous because this is my son right here who is playing with Angel, and I need him to know that we have another puppy we are having a hard time keeping up with, and I don't think we can take her home today. So.
Well, she would be a good one for outside, because like I said, she doesn't have much interest in being inside.
So we have a few other puppies here, and we also have, I want to recognize one more time, I'm sorry, Renee. This is Renee, and she has actually donated to Hearts and Tails of Hope a 24 passenger shuttle bus that they have been able to sort of transform a little bit to transport the animals back and forth from events like this. So when they're going to do a big adoption event like we're doing today at Petco, they can actually transport the animals. So tell us about that.
It's kind of like a mobile kennel for them, really. They just got it 3 weeks ago, so they're still working on that. But I know they're all very excited about it. We're excited to help out as much as we can. Yeah.
And I hear word on the street is that they might be adopting a puppy in the next few months also. So
We are hoping.
yeah. So I just wanted to spotlight this organization because I think what they're doing for the pets in our area is fantastic. There are so many pets that are looking for homes that really need owners who will love on them and take good care of them. And so if you know anybody or you are looking to either help out by fostering, or you're looking for another furry family member yourself, please reach out to this organization. I'm sure that they have somebody for you. Also, the calendar contest that we have started, where we are asking you to send us photos of your pets, all the proceeds that we get from selling those calendars at the end of this year are going to go to this organization. So thank you, Marilyn, for what you guys do. Thank you for letting us come play with you guys and the dogs today.
Enjoy it. You're
and
always welcome.
thank you so much. And so everyone, have a great day.
Thank you.